Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on Google location accuracy in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. To turn on our Google location accuracy, we have to go to Settings, then we are looking for Location menu here, and Location Services. By default, Google location accuracy should be turned on, but if it's off, like this, we can go here, turn it on, and improve our accuracy. It's better to leave it on for our own convenience, but if we have it off, we can turn it on in this menu. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.